3, 2, 1, go.
That's all three robots on the red side moving. One gear almost delivered, but just slips a little bit short on the Red Alliance airship side. But that's 15 points all around for movement from all the teams at the end of the autonomous period. But now our driver's taking control. Let's see, we've got that reserve gear in place on both sides. They're both getting the rotor spun up. And we're at the familiar point of being 55-55. Let's see who can get the next gear in place. They're neck and neck. Gears moving up into the airships. Slowly but surely. And a successful grab from the Red Alliance. Working to move that second gear train into place. They just need one more gear and they'll be able to get that second rotor spinning. 581, the Blazing Bulldogs working on delivering one gear over to the Blue Alliance airship. And it's very close, but just slips free. Gear number 2 delivered to the Red Alliance airship. Their pilots spinning up that rotor, and away they go with the second rotor spinning, bringing Red Alliance up to 95. 49-73, the Gator Gears. They've got a gear, maybe a Gator gear in their machine. They're delivering that up to the Blue Alliance airship. But again, they've just lost grasp. Working on that second gear delivery to get their second rotor going. Right now, Red Alliance pulling ahead with that second rotor. With these gears being not agreeable right now, and some of them falling a little bit free of those airships. We've got a lot of action over here on our side of the field with fuel on the ground. 24-37, Lancer Robotics. They've got a gear in their machine. They're trying to get back to their airship, clear some of that fuel, and hopefully get that gear delivered. Looks like we've got 66-62. The engineers with attitude. They've delivered a gear to that red airship. They're trying to get that next gear train going. That's a successful gear delivery. With only 35 seconds remaining, they may not have time to finish the third rotor. Looks like it's time to board the airships. Team's going to make their way back to those airships as the pilots drop the lines. Looks like all these robots trying to board. I see 581 Blazing Bulldogs trying to grab a hold of their rope. 24-37 Lancer Robotics trying to grab onto their line and climb aboard. There's 66-62. The engineers with attitude, they are ready for takeoff on the Red Alliance airship. Over on the blue, there's 5 seconds remaining. Can either of these blue robots become ready for takeoff? Not quite there. Very close on the Blue Alliance to reaching that climb. And let's see these airships take off and make their way. Looks like the Red Alliance airships making their way through the finish line first with a final score of 145. Red Alliance, Blue Alliance 55.